Guys, this is the sample if you put a tire wax in your vehicle. So this is the looks after put a tire wax in your tire. Okay. So you can use this tire foam. It's from you can buy this in a Canadian Tire if you want. So just spread it. Okay. You need this brush. So this is you need to buy also this kind of brush for tire or carpet. And this tire foam, it's very effective. Okay. Okay, guys. See the effective. Even not wet. So spread it. Easy to apply, easy to do. Sa tire wax. This is how to apply. Tire wax in your car. So that's it. Very black. The other side. Okay. See. So it can look shiny. Another option, even this same brand, but the shine foam. It's different type. Okay. Same. Put the tire. Use this brush. Siamese, the brand. That's wet. Wet your tire. It's easy to apply. See, apply. Okay. Easy. Okay. Wet look. Shiny wet look. Well, maybe not expensive. Okay. Okay, so we move to the other one, or you put direct to the brush. These are some areas. Okay. Looks good for tomorrow. Okay, we move to the other side. See. see, shiny, looks new. Okay, so move again to the other side. This some part they need just a little bit spray. Okay, so you need a brush, this kind of brush for tire, and this brand Armor All. Okay, so that's it for now for the tire. Okay guys, that's it for now because it's windy, so just to share to you how to put a tire wax in your vehicle. Even the ladies, the young ladies, it's easy to do that. Okay, so no need go to the gasoline station just to buy in Canadian Tire or the gasoline station like Fast Gas or Esso or Co-op. There's a available for the tire foam wax. Okay, so see you guys. So hopefully this video this afternoon is past 9 this afternoon. If it's windy, we try to do this video just help you to how to put tire wax in a proper way. No need put in the hose to spread it the water in the tire before you cleaning your tires. So it's directly and easy to do that to become shiny and looks good for your tire even it's old. Okay, so that's all for now. Hopefully you like it. Just click like click or to press the notification bell for upcoming videos for next week for the latest video. Okay, so please subscribe and click the notification bell and like for this video or comments. So see you again next time guys. Okay, good night in Canada, Saskatchewan.